years of country business, only to get shut down. We've kept our hoofsies warm at home, leave room for siestas. But the time we have is running out, and we need to rest no more. And though I love Louisiana, money is too important. Time has come to grow up and become a new country, but it's also time to learn the rules. A nation I will be. How does this work? I'm new, you see. What does every pony do? How do I run a superpower? I haven't got a clue. Country duties, country duties. Let's work hard for our people. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. We represent them all. Knowing your bosses, a country's job begins in helping him plan attacks to rule everyone else. We train real hard and we listen to all. But you better watch out or else your country will fall. Country duties, country duties. Work hard for our people. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. We represent them all. Little children hide away from the wars and the hate. We find them and we sing to them so quietly and sweet. We help the parents feed their kids, help their homes stay clean. We welcome back the strong soldiers so the families can grow. Country duties, work hard for our people. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. We represent them all. No easy task to train the men, make sure they're prepared. With proper care and sternness, every pony they'll be. Pilots, snipers, foot soldiers, warriors of every kind. I'll add just a few more laps, I'm sure the boss won't mind. Country duties, work hard for our people. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. We represent them all. Now that I know what I must do, I need to find my place and work with all of my heart. Tough task ahead I face. How will I do with my citizens? Help liberty's way. I want to be strong, so I must do my best today. Do my best today. Country duties, work hard for our people. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. Country duties, 'cause we represent them all. 'Cause we represent them all. We represent them all. It's still recording, isn't it? Yep. Oh man, it's still recording again. Crap, I keep doing that.